welcome to my channel again. Tasha, that's me. So today we are doing a makeup routine vlog. You know how it is. And today we are going to try out this nice, this is my routine. This is what I start with. We have Vaseline, we have some glycerin, very nice. I use this as a combination to put it on my face. So that's how we're gonna start with. So right here, this is what we start with. You just put it just like that, and then you rub it like this. Make sure it doesn't leave in your hands. Make sure it's completely, like when you're rubbing it dry, and you apply it in your, on your face. I did not just say in, but on your face. And then we have our little friend here, glycerin. Yes, glycerin. Right here, we're gonna use our good friend glycerin. After applying Vaseline, this right here, this one, just a small dot, just that tiny, see, very tiny. Don't even put even more than one drop. Rub it, tap it on your face. I'm a fan of tapping. I don't know why. I just like tapping my face. It's like a thing. So tap your face right there, and yeah. The next step is, enhancer. Hope you can see clearly. Enhancer, L'Oreal. I like my products. L'Oreal. All my products I use are from L'Oreal. So shout out to L'Oreal. Really nice. I love the products. Makes me look good and attractive every day. Yeah. Yeah. We are going to apply it, like that. Like that. I don't know. Normally, like apply like that because I feel like if we put it dot the way people normally do, like this direct, is not nice. So I'll be putting it on my hand like that and rubbing it on my face like that, so you can use a little bit instead of the drop wise, which is very much. So yeah, just apply to your face. Make sure you yes. So we are back again. We're still doing it. Okay, we're not yet done. So there's another one called primer. I hope you can see it. Primer right there. It's called, I don't know, I'm gonna pronounce it ELF or ELF, but let's just short it to ELF. So yeah, it's a primer. Really nice. I bought it last time from my okay. So ELF is next. And not ELF the mythical creature or whatever it is. ELF this, this one. So I'm gonna put that as small as that. All my products, I put small drops. I don't put like a lot. And I'm gonna put it on our face like this. All around. Not even one spot should be left. Get what I'm saying? Not one spot should be left. So we have Mrs. Snakes. You know how it is. Powder pods. You can even see. Can't stop, won't stop. Sounds familiar, right? Anyway, you'll guess it for yourself. Yeah, so that's next. And we are going to apply it. This one right here. Never miss it in my past. I never miss it. So yeah, as you can see, you open the shade. See this thing. And then you start right there and start applying. If you feel like it's not enough, you can add a little bit more. And I said a little bit. Don't just put the whole thing, You put it and right there. Apply it there on your face, Hello. So yeah, just as you saw, I was putting powder pods. Powder? I just call it powder, whatever. And then we have look at that. Yeah. Lip plump gloss. So the people can say it, I'm sorry. It's as you can see, looking good. The lips are lip sync. Yeah? Right here, Playboy, like a queen. This is a perfume made from England. Very nice. I spray it, and I mix it with this, which is my body splash. Not so much famous, but I bought it around here in Kenya, just in. Okay, we are back again. For just in case the people who wanted to know these products and where they can find them and what's their name. So here I started with Vaseline. It is daily moisturizing, leaves your skin smooth and soft, and it is, has vitamin B3. Look at that, really nice, and yeah, it has 2 weeks to visibly radiant skin. So yeah, this one is the best. Achana ile unapaka ile inaacha tu mwili inakuwa, this one, the lotion one, this body lotion is the best, so you should try it. And then another one, gotta go hand in hand with the glycerin. Make sure. So yeah, this is glycerin, which is for the hair, skin, and nails. Very nice. It is a handcraft blend, and it moisturizes and softens. It's really nice. Yeah, bought it 2 years ago. Really nice. Should go hand in hand with this. And then we have the enhancer, as you saw last the earlier on. It's an enhancer. You put it after you put the Vaseline and glycerin, and then of course it's a L'Oreal brand because I love my brands L'Oreal. Yeah, so it leaves in a natural glow. And the enhancer also, elf, really nice. You put it after enhancer. And then don't forget about your little friend L lip plum gloss, which is also really important. And last but not least, this, spray them all over. Make sure that smell leaves the people wowed. Hey, they be like, damn. Okay, I just forgot, before the perfume, the famous lyric, can't stop, won't stop. All right, the mix, the powder porn, make sure you use that with this, please. Just don't forget, yeah. And that's all you need. Don't have to stress, and go outside there with confidence and walk with confidence, and make sure you look good, you smell good. And yeah, that's all for today. That's how I do my makeup routine. And next video, I'm gonna show you, what else? Maybe a hair routine or something. So yeah, goodbye for now. Thank you.